Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Excuse the microwave. It is Monday and this is going to be another week in my life vlog. Yeah, it's Monday. It's about 2 o'clock now. I just got home from work and my roommate is actually away this week, so it's just me and I have a lot to do this afternoon. But I'm also like super tired and I don't know, I just feel it's like a yucky Monday. So looks like it's going to rain, so I definitely need to take off my washing off of the washing line, and then I just want to make some lunch. I'm just going to make some toast, and then I'm going to watch some sweet series. I've been watching Sweet Magnolias, which I love. I'm so addicted. So I'm just going to watch that and chill out for a little while, and then once I've regained my strength, I will continue doing the dishes and all of the little housework that needs to be done. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me on this week, and yeah, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Now I am going to be doing a little bit of a Pilates workout just to get my blood flowing a little bit, because I feel like I have been sitting the entire day. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a workout, and then yeah, my boyfriend's probably going to come visit tonight and we'll probably have some dinner together, and I think that'll be my evening. If I'm being honest, I might do some Canva templates and send those in for approval, but other than that, I'm just going to try and have a relaxing week and evening before my classes start again next week. So that is what I'm going to do now. Good morning everyone, I hope you all had a wonderful night. I did not. Sorry for these birds, they are just creating havoc. Yeah, I actually had a very tough night behind me. I woke up at like 2 with extreme bladder infection. It was just not a vibe, and I struggled to get back to sleep and only got back to sleep at like 4:30 in the morning, which was not fun. And then I quickly went to the pharmacy this morning just to get some medicine because I had absolutely nothing to help me. Yeah, so today is a house cleaning day, so you will see it is a little bit all over the place. And then we are also working from home today, and then my boyfriend is also working with me from home today, which is nice. Yeah, and tonight we have a family dinner. It's my boyfriend's father's birthday, so that's going to be very exciting, just seeing all of the family. And yeah, I am excited for that. We're going to a little Italian place which I've never been to, so I'm excited to see what that is going to be like. And yeah, just taking you on my work day from home today. And yeah, the flowers are so beautiful in the garden. Look how pretty they are. They are stunning. I actually wanted to pluck a little bit of them and put them in the house. I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to head off to our dinner for tonight, and I'm super excited. It's at a little Italian place, like I said earlier, and yeah, we are ready to go. It is raining. So yeah, we'll be driving in the rain, but I'm super excited, and I will try and get some clips while we are there as well. So I am actually just going to go get a drink with my friends, and yeah, I will see you guys a bit later. Hi guys, it is actually now the end of Wednesday. Yo, this day has just flown past me. I don't even know where the day has gone. I worked half day, and then after work I just went with my friends to a restaurant. And then after that I went to my parents' house just to catch up with them a bit. And yeah, now I only got back now, and I think it's like around like 7:30. So I definitely do have some work to do tonight. So I'm gonna do some branding, maybe some passion projects as well, and then work on some client stuff. And then yeah, I also just wanted to do my budget and go through all of that and just make sure that everything is still on track. It is payday on Monday, I think, so yeah, I'll just have to go through the budget and see what's going on there. And then yeah, I'm not really hungry tonight, so I don't think I'm gonna make anything to eat because I had quite a late lunch at the restaurant. So I'm just going to chill, put on a series, and just do the work that I wanted to get done tonight. And then yeah, I will see you guys again tomorrow. Sorry for being so absent. Guys, good morning. I hope you guys are doing well today. It is Thursday today, and I've just been working from home. As you can see, no makeup day today. I will put on makeup a little bit later. Tonight we have a couples course that myself and my boyfriend are doing, which we are super excited about. We went last week as well, and it was so nice. So I'm really excited for tonight to see what it's going to be all about. Yeah, so currently I'm just working on some quick start stuff, and then later this afternoon I need to go to the bank. Seriously, I've been avoiding this for 3 weeks. It's horrible, I know. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do it today, just get it off of my plate, and then I need to pick up Thomas from his work so that we can drive through to the course. Hi guys, okay, so I just picked up my boyfriend from work. He works at We Buy Cars, so I just picked him up from work, and now we are on our way to our relationship course thing, couples course, with my friend Erin and her boyfriend, and we are super excited. So I don't know where he's at right now, but yeah, we will be driving there soon. It's quite far away, so it's quite a drive, so I will take you guys along with me tonight, and then yeah, I'll see you guys again when I'm home. I guess I will just film a few clips as well. Hi guys, it's the end of Friday, finally the end of the week. I am so glad that it's the end of the week, and just so that we can have weekend, and then on Monday my classes are starting again. So by the time you guys are watching this, I will be back at uni, and I'm not so excited for that, but I know that it's a privilege to be studying. So yeah, just excited to get that degree and have it finished. Yeah, today was just a busy work day. We were at work doing some work, and then after work all of our work just went out to a restaurant, and now I am at my parents' house, and tonight we are all having a little bit of a family dinner, and we're going to a new restaurant in Mainland which is called the Grub House. I've never been there, but super excited. So yeah, I just wanted to end off the vlog and just tell you guys that I hope you have an amazing week ahead. Be productive, be inspired, and yeah, I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye guys.